Seriously.
Next.
Hallelujah.
Can I help you?
The usual.
Are you the silent guy?
Sure, sometimes.
Whoa, you talk?
I do, yeah. I'm actually more well-known for talking now than anything
Prove
else.
it. Say something.
I said a bunch of, excuse me. Hi, is that almost done?
It's still processing.
Okay.
Card declined again. Yoga hosers, man, I liked it.
Why is that line over there so much faster?
They're paying with digital currency, crypto, tokens, points, even new things like stable coins.
Guess you got nothing to say about that.
This is all Matt Damon's fault.
I'll just need to reboot the system.
Can I at least get one jort to go?